Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Back again with the trendy, perfect and gorgeous ideas and latest designs. In this video guys, I'm going to show you different type of perfect, stylish and beautiful designs. Very latest and very amazing and very beautiful ideas and gorgeous pattern. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing video. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing style. And these gorgeous and beautiful ideas and style are so lovely and so trendy. And looking very nice, looking very stylish, looking very gorgeous and amazing. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing pixie haircut and short haircut ideas and designs. And these lovely and beautiful ideas and designs of new haircut and hair color. And these beautiful ideas of short haircut and haircut are so trendy and so amazing, looking very great, looking very nice, looking very useful and looking very beautiful and amazing. So you have to try these beautiful short haircut ideas, my dear ladies and dear women. These perfect and stylish designs of haircuts and hair color are so nice. And this beautiful pattern of new haircut ideas are so lovely. You have to try these perfect designs. You have to try this amazing pattern. If you like this amazing video, if you like this amazing designs, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing video. Guys, haircut and hair color will change your personality and also guys volumize your hairs. We all are following trend, we all are following fashion. If you love follow trend, if you love follow fashion, you will cut your hairs, you will color your hairs into different style. And these lovely ideas of new haircut and hair color are so stylish and so amazing. And looking very great, looking very useful, looking very pretty and amazing. And thank you so much for watching my new video, for watching this beautiful pattern and style and lovely ideas. Take care guys, keep spotting me and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.